Hello everyone, welcome back to Andre Craft Shows. I miss doing this video tutorial, to be honest. So I will be showing you today on how to make this beautiful daisy. For the materials, you're gonna need all this here. Once you have it, let's start. I'm using 2.2 mm hook size, but of course you can use any hook size you need as long as it's recommended with your yarn thickness. So in here, I'm gonna start with magic ring or magic circle, and in that magic circle, I'm gonna make 5 single crochet. Insert your hook in the first single crochet. Do not chain, just a slip stitch. In the second round, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in each stitches. So you must have a total of 10 single crochet. If you are a beginner, make sure you put a stitch marker in the first single crochet. Continue doing so, and I'll meet you once you have your 10 single crochet. Again, do not chain, just slip stitch. You're gonna do this pattern with the green yarn because later on we're gonna sandwich them together and lock them with the white yarn. For the third round, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single in the next. So meaning 1 increase, then the next stitch will be 1 single crochet, and then the next will be increase, and then the next will be single crochet, and so on and so forth until you have a total of 15 single crochet. Once you have a total of 15 single crochet, slip stitch and cut the yarn, then wave. We will proceed to attaching them together and start with the petals. A little tips, in here we're not going to use the right side, but instead we're going to use the wrong side as our right side. So basically the wrong side should be facing on you and the right side should be inside. I hope I make sense. Another tips, you can use a fiber fill if you want. So there are 2 loops in here, the front loop and the back loop. So for the yellow one, I will insert my hook in the back loop only. But then in the green one, you can insert it with the 2 loops. Now prepare the white yarn and just follow how I'm doing it. Every petals is composed of 4 chain. Then going backwards, insert your hook in the next chain. So you must have a total of 3 single crochet, and then slip stitch in the next stitches. Again, for the yellow one, just insert your hook in the back loop only, and then insert it in the green one with the 2 loops. Make sure you tack in all those extra tails or extra yarns. So again, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain. You must have a total of 3 single crochet, and then slip stitch in the next. Do this pattern until you have a total of 15 petals. Of course, I forgot. Just make sure you stuffed your daisies if you want. As I mentioned earlier, if you feel like stuffing it more, then you can add fiber fill to make it more bumpy. As for me, to be honest, it looks the same as the real one if you stuff more. But then again, it's all up to you. So this is my last petals. Just do the same as the rest and slip stitch and cut your yarn. I always have this mannerism, if you called it that way, to count my petals or anything, any projects that I have, just to make sure that I really get the exact number, if you get what I mean. So this one, I already counted these petals, but then again, I have to count again just to make sure. So let's start waving. And there you have it. It can be an applique or a decorative of all your projects. It can be a decorative for a wearable dressed crochet, or it's up to you. You can also make these as an earrings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great time. I'll see you next time. Bye!